Today I'll be teaching you how to make a pop-up Valentine's Day. The first thing we will need is we'll need scissors, glue, two pink pieces of paper, but I only have one because I already kind of did it all. You'll need one piece of cardstock. You can use whatever color you want. And you'll need red, pink, dark, purplish pink, and black. Now let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put your pink paper aside. Then you're gonna get your cardstock and you're gonna cut it. Sorry, you're gonna draw lines and it should be like pretty straight. So I'd use a ruler. You're gonna draw it on each side. After that, you're gonna cut it with your scissors. I already cut it, but I'm gonna cut it so it should look like that for now. Then you're gonna open up your card and you're gonna pop it through and fold it this way. So then it should look like this. It should look just like that. It might not stand up for now, but that's okay. Just like that. Then after that, you're gonna get your pink piece of paper. So you're gonna glue it onto your regular piece. You're gonna get your glue. You're gonna glue it all on top of your white piece of paper. Then you're gonna get it and try to make it pretty exact. And then you're gonna fold it and lay it. There we go. Now we have it like this right now and like this. Then after that, you're going to, I was gonna write Happy Valentine's Day. Right now, then open it up. Now we're gonna glue some hearts on here. And so I'll show you how to make a heart. I already made a couple. Where is it? There it is. So you're gonna get your heart and you're gonna fold it. And like that. Fold it a little. Then right here, you're gonna cut like just like a normal heart, but you're cutting half a heart. So it's like, and then when you open it up, it'll look really cool. It'll look like a real life heart. They're not perfect, but that's how it should look. And then after that, I'm gonna glue on some hearts. You can do it however you want, but I'm gonna speed it up so it doesn't take so long when I'm coloring and drawing.